Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start at the front. First, make sure you have the 13mm, 18mm, and 21mm sockets, spring compressor, and 2 jack stands. You loosen the lug nuts while the car is on the ground, then raise the vehicle and place stands at the pinch welds. This prevents collapse. Once done, remove the wheel and disconnect the sway bar end link if it obstructs access. Make sure to keep organized trays for bolts so you don't mix up fasteners. You support the lower control arm with a jack to prevent sudden drop, and then remove the lower strut knuckle bolts. These are usually 21mm. Next, access the upper strut mount nuts in the engine bay. Hold the strut shaft while you remove them so it does not spin. Compress the coil spring with the spring compressor because the spring stores energy and is dangerous otherwise. Once compressed, swap springs or fit the new strut assembly, and loosely reinstall upper nuts. Before aligning, you tighten the lower strut knuckle bolts and torque the upper mount nuts to factory specs. Then release the spring compressor slowly and evenly so the spring seats properly. Once everything is torqued, reinstall the wheel, lower the vehicle, and torque lug nuts in a star pattern. Make sure to perform a short road test at low speed to confirm handling and absence of clunks. If you hear noise or feel instability, check mounts, torque values, sway bar links, and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.